Look who's back. The blue STI. It's actually his car. Been featured on my channel probably more times than my own cars, but well, look at this guy. Official Subaru ambassador.
That's right.
If you need any hookup, here's your man right here.
Free test drives all around.
Perfect.
Not in my car though.
What do we got going on here? Little JDM rain guards.
That's it.
Right?
Subaru OEM rain guard deflectors being installed on a 2015 Subaru STI.
Yep. Imported directly from Japan. We're going to show you step by step how to install it. Should be a quick one and done. Easy peasy. Want to unbox it?
Oh yeah. Straight from Japan.
Let's get right to it. One take. This is going to be a one take.
Oh my.
Because we never screw up.
Never. Here we are. See this? This means rain deflector in Japanese. Yep. So
okay, what do we have here?
We have our front window deflectors, the big ones, and we have our rear window deflectors, small ones, some instructions, and that's it.
These are the clips?
Clips that attach the rain guards to the windows.
Real nice. So this is all OEM stuff. Should fit good, right?
Yep. Best fitment.
So we started with the passenger side, got it on. Absolutely no issues, no struggles whatsoever, right? Really though, it wasn't that bad. We're gonna show you just how easy it is. This side is naked. You see a difference. Whoa. Okay, the official step one. Take something like CarPro Eraser. If you don't want to get all that fancy, you could just use isopropyl alcohol, right?
Oh yeah.
John's gonna show you how it's done.
A little spray on the rag.
Couple squirts on a premium Kirkland signature.
Costco special.
Wipe it down.
Wipe it down. That's for you TikTokers out there.
I'm not on that TikTok. I'm not about that life.
Alright, it's clean.
What about this? What about the rear?
Oh, I thought we were doing one at a time.
You're gonna get all willy-nilly on the rear?
Sorry.
So we're doing this because there's 3M tape that comes pre-installed on the rain guards, and that's where it's gonna stick. So you don't want your little oily fingers all over it. You don't know where those fingers have been, do you, little boy? Do you, old son?
Big old bobcat.
Big old bobcat.
Live?
But
Alright. So first step is you gotta peel back the OEM, what do you call this? Alright. Weather stripping?
yeah, that's it.
Alright. You could get your fingers under here and just pull back and it'll start to come out. Don't be scared, you can use a little pressure, but don't go all the way to the corners. You just got to get wide enough to where the clips are, and we'll show you in the next part where those clips will be going. So just like that, you see? Getting that. How's that look?
The struggle is real.
I have 0 nails. I knew I should have waited a day.
Told you they were coming in Monday.
Well, this will be done by next week.
Cut to time-lapse video.
Got it, old son.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. We still recording, John?
Yep.
So, you can see the 2 clips. We didn't show how you install this, but they just snap in. And you're going to want to take off the white stuff on each side and then peel back a couple inches. We're going to get this aligned. So don't press too hard on the sides, because once it sticks, it sticks. Ain't that right, Jonathan?
That 3M is super strong.
Super sticky.
That's what happened to me on the other side.
Yeah.
Lined it up and pulled the tape and realized I was not aligned.
Yeah. Alright.
You see other videos, they're like, oh yeah, just clip these in. Real easy. The truth of the matter is you're going to struggle for like 5 minutes trying to get this lined up. You're going to get one lined up, then the other one's not going to be lined up.
Wow.
Yep.
I'm way off kilter here. Yeah.
Yep. That's exactly what I was talking about.
This takes a little finagling.
Yeah. It's easy, guys. Just put those clips on and stick it right in. They'll clip in real fast and quick. It's probably the easiest project you'll ever do.
Alright, that clips in.
That one clips in.
Old son. Alright. This one should go in easy. Alright, yeah, felt the slide in there.
Make sure that's
I
on.
gotta get it aligned.
Oh, that's got it way down. Eee.
So you'll feel the clip kind of slide in under this lip where we peeled this back. Once you struggle with getting it aligned right at the edge, kind of press down on each side. And then take your little white strip, put it all the way back. Get that later. Press it in nice. Probably go over it a few times for the sake of the video. Then you just reinstall rubber piece that we never figured out what to call it. All right, and just play with it until it's just as tight as it was when we took it out. What do you think?
Perfect. One done. Look at that. Good. All right, on to the next one.
So, if y'all are wondering, this is approximately the gap you're gonna get. Basically, you just want the tape to be at the edge of this black part and that black part. Making biscuits?
Oh yeah, old son.
You guys ask this all the time. How is the drone on this car?
Not good.
It's not good?
No, it's okay. It's better than the R400 by far, but it still has a little drone when you're hanging out at like 3,000 RPMs on the highway at around 75 to 80.
So just a little reminder on the setup. It's an NVIDIA high flow catted downpipe now, right?
Yep.
With
Q300
catback, R400, Q300. I can never remember the nomenclature on all these exhausts. But if you were to get a different one, what do you think you would get?
I don't know. I think what was the one that we were talking about the other day?
AWE?
Yeah, AWE. But I think the next step might be to do some dyno mat in the trunk and maybe some sound deadening materials as well.
Yeah, Matt did that on his Genesis and I think it helped a lot.
So.
But alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out all of our other videos. Bunch of different exhaust videos in this car. I got stuff on my Subaru that's sitting over there all sad. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. Peace. Get it, John!